guys, today me and my friend are fidget trading, and on this video, if it gets to 30 likes, remember I'm going to reveal Ruby's face. So anyway, I'm going to start off with my Among Us dimple. Add something tall. I accept. And I know that you really want that Among Us dimple. Oh no, I can't spin it with one hand. Anyway, yes, you'll go.
For my putty. There's 3 of them, so it has to be a good offer.
Wait, so there's 3 of them?
Yes. Like white, pink, baby pink.
How about this fidget pad? Yes, I got putty. Oh, and guys, some of these fidgets are my friend's Ruby's. Putty, the poppet, and the fidget spinner. So wait, is it my go? Yeah. Hexagon poppet. Add. Accept. I wanted a lot out of you.
You scammer!
That's because you scammed me before.
I only have 2 fidgets.
Fine, go on, offer something. Fine, I'll offer something a bit big. Pink poppet, and I won't need it.
I accept.
Accept. Yes, I got Among Us back. I mean, you do have 2 poppets. Wait, all different colours. Pink, purple, blue. Oh, wait, pink. Wait, no. Yeah, pink and blue, I think it is.
Make purple.
Yeah, they do. Okay, so...
My go.
No, my go.
It's my go.
You just offered your Among Us. Guys, comment down, Ruby is stupid.
Oh.
And if I'm ever stupid, then you can comment down, Poppy is stupid.
Yeah, comment that 1,000 times.
Only if I'm stupid, but you've been stupid. Pop tube and fidget pad.
Needle. Or do you want me to add a pocket?
Add a poppet. Add a poppet.
Yeah.
Accept. I got a poppet. Well, at least I took your colour combination away from you.
Yellow, yellow, blue and pink.
Oh. Come on. Yellow. Poppet. But then you need to add, because this one has only a teensy thing, because this one has more bubbles.
Oh, yeah.
Accept. Scammed ya. That one. Wait, does that one actually have less bubbles on it? 1, 2,
Count in your head.
3, 8.
How many?
28.
28.
Ah, scammed ya. Guys, comment Poppy is great scammer. Although, guys, this isn't real fidget trading. As you can tell, I'm trading my own fidgets.
Right, go. We'll go.
You know what? This trading's getting boring. Let's get some new fidgets. So,
No fidgets.
we're gonna keep those ones, but we're gonna grab 2 more fidgets. So, I'm gonna grab the spot ball.
This, whatever it is.
Mesh ball. Baby, I'm gonna get your favorite one.
I don't care. Giant needle.
A minute. Let's get something else.
One more thing. Okay. One more thing. Which one should I'm gonna get a poppy actually. Not that way.
Oh, not the ghost one. I need to get the wacky track.
Let's see how small this is.
I mean, guys, I only have a small one.
I want to pick a puppet. This one.
Okay, these about a minute. Well, let's just wait. Should we put our fidgets back?
Yeah.
Yeah, come on, let's get them back. So, or should we leave them?
Just leave them. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I'll give you one of yours back. I'll give you the fidget spinner.
Yes. Give me.
It's not as fair. So, I'm just gonna go first because I don't know whose turn it is. Splat ball.
Whatever this is, mesh ball.
Yeah, just call it.
A mesh ball.
No, confetti ball. Just call it
Okay,
that 'cause it looks like
confetti ball.
confetti. Accept. Wait. Call it a splat ball actually, because it's kind of like a splat ball.
There you go.
Okay.
What do you have for this owl needle?
Bubblegum stress ball, but you need to add because this is your favourite. Accept. Scammed you as well.
I don't care.
This one's blue as well, and you love this one. I don't think she thinks that's a scam. Anyway,
Michael.
who's go?
Michael.
Oh yeah, I just put that off for something.
Oh no, it's your go.
Chipper than Paula. Has something. No, add. This one pops better, and this one's new.
I'm not adding a puppet.
Accept. A pop tube and splat bang.
I forgot we can decline.
Yeah.
I forgot.
My
Michael.
Yes, it's your go. Just pop it.
This is more pops. Add, please, a small thing.
Fidget spinner.
Accept.
Accept.
Mine.
And guys, I did not pay for this. I just found it in Home Bargains, laying there for free. So I just grabbed it and kept it.
You naughty girl.
Wait, what are you offering? Wait,
Yours.
no, it's my turn. It's my turn. I just banged my head on this stupid chair. You know what? Guys, I'm also sick of this chair. The wheels don't even move properly.
Go.
Oh my god. It's so uncomfortable. Sorry for the delay. Splat ball. Wait, all my splat balls and needles. All my stress balls, technically. I die more than you, and the better.
Please.
You
You get jumbo needle.
I know, but I like the owl needle more. Wait a minute, let me see. So I like the owl needle more than this. I like this. Wait, no. I like that one more than this one. But I like this more than this. So you need to add.
What?
You need to add.
Decline.
Decline.
How dare you? Is it my go?
Yep. Pink. You can have 2 pinks. But then add.
No. Why?
Add the fidget spinner. Mine has more pops.
Really, does it? Count them.
Okay, you count yours as well. Wait, yours has 28.
Yeah, right, go on, count 'em.
Watch. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. So add.
No. Yeah.
Accept. You eat the fidgets at the pool. Ruby, I nearly showed your face. Luckily I didn't.
Oh.
I was like, oh, to your neck there.
Gosh. Now you know what my neck looks like, guys.
Guys, you want to see what my neck looks like? Oh, no. Don't show you. It's my neck. Hopefully it don't show. There we go. I didn't show any faces. Ah!
I go to offer.
Here's this one. I'm going to give you this legendary fidget. Okay. Okay. And it's super legendary. So you need to add a lot. Okay.
Add.
Are you serious? You need to add this putty. It's legendary.
Add.
Fine. But then you need to add after me.
Decline.
Oh, well, this is legendary.